Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Reason to switch car insurance company. It might be time to switch insurers whenever the service that your existing insurer provides doesn't meet your needs. For example, if you have a poor claims experience or an unexplained rate increase, it might be time to consider other options. Say John Blue, Vice President of Product Management at Erie Insurance. Here are reasons that might merit a switch to a new car insurer. You had a bad claims experience. Usually, we don't know how good our insurance company is until we make a claim. If you had an unsatisfactory claims experience, you may be looking to jump ship. And then your policy is up for renewal. As you reach the milestones of life, your insurance needs will change. With this in mind, it's wise to review your coverage before your current policy renews. If you think you're overpaying, you may want to switch companies. And then you are buying a new car. When you buy a new car, you want to make sure that it has adequate coverage. For example, you may want gap insurance if you take out a loan or lease, but not every company offers this coverage type. And then you are moving. Where you live impacts the cost you pay for car insurance, but not all insurers price their coverage the same, which is why it's a good idea to compare car insurance quotes from multiple insurers. And keep in mind, your current insurer might not offer coverage in your new location, so you may have no choice but to switch. You are getting married. Most insurance companies offer car insurance discount for insuring multiple vehicles on one car insurance policy. If you and your spouse have different insurers, it might be the perfect opportunity to find an insurer that offers the best coverage and prices. And then you have a teen driver. Adding a teen to your policy can increase your annual premium by more than $2,000, but not all insurers price teen drivers the same. That's why it's worth shopping around to find the best cheap car insurance for teen drivers. You are retiring. When you retire, you can kiss the daily job commute goodbye. With fewer miles driven, you may want to look into a non-traditional type of car insurance like pay-per-mile insurance. Your credit score has changed. In many states, your credit history is taken into account by insurers when pricing your coverage. While drivers with bad credit pay more than drivers with good credit, not all companies hike rates by the same amount. That means you can find a more affordable rate if you compare quotes, even with bad credit. And then you've had an accident or traffic violation. Generally, you pay more for coverage if you vote an accident claim or having moving violation or your record. Still, the amount your rate increases will vary by company. You may find a company that has a lower rate than your current one, even with recent accident or tickets on your record. Can I switch car insurance company while I have an open insurance claim? Yes, you can switch car insurance company while you have an open insurance claim with your current insurer. If the accidents occur while you were covered under your previous insurance policy, that insurer needs to handle your claim. You will have to stay in touch with your previous insurer to resolve any open claims. Do car insurance company refund premiums I already paid? When you cancel a policy midterm, you should get a prorated refund for the remainder of your policy term. For example, if you paid your annual premium in full and canceled your policy after 6 months, you should get a refund for the remaining 6 months, minus any applicable cancellation fees, depending on the company. You will likely be refunded in the same manner as your payments, so if you pay by credit card, you will see the refund as a credit on your card balance. That's all the reasons to switch car insurance company and how to do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, to like, comment, and subscribe.